everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted posts on Facebook. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, whenever you delete any post on Facebook knowingly or unknowingly, you get 30 days time period to recover it. I will show you how you can do that. So you can do this only by using the Facebook mobile app. What you need to do is simply open the Facebook app, and from the home page you have to tap the three lines at the top right. From here you need to go to settings section, so you can press the settings icon given in the top right. And now here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will see this section that says your information. Under this you have to select the first option, that is activity log. Here you will be able to delete as well as recover your deleted post. Alright, but as you can see here, you can move your post from your profile to your archive where only you can see them. You can also move them to trash where they will be automatically deleted after 30 days. Alright. So this is the section where you can archive your post. That means you can hide your post and you can also delete them. But if in case you have already deleted a post, it will only stay in the trash box for 30 days. If the 30 days period is over, you will not be able to find that post. Alright. So what you simply need to do is you simply have to tap the trash icon, the trash box right here. And you will see all the recently deleted items that you have deleted within the last 30 days. And you will also see the number of days left for the recovery. Alright, so for example, here is one of my posts lying in the trash folder. And as you can see, 29 days are left for me to recover it. After 29 days are over, I will not be able to see this post right here. So if you are lucky, you will find your post here and you can simply recover it. Tap the three dots, or you can select the post and simply tap restore given at the bottom, or you can even hide it if you only want to keep it visible to you. Alright, so that's how you can try to recover your deleted post on Facebook. And if in case any Facebook post has been deleted long back, so there is no other option to recover it, you have lost it forever, it gets automatically deleted by Facebook after 30 days of it lying in the trash folder. So I hope everything is clear to you in this video. If you have any more questions about any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already subscribed, as more useful videos are coming up for you. And yeah, for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.